In today's video, we're going to walk through some of the models that are available for your TagniFi Excel add-in. We've put together dozens of models to make it easy for you to get up and running without having to build anything from scratch. So these are great ways to start looking at companies just by putting in a ticker symbol. This first model that we're looking at is an annual ratio analysis for a single company. We can run this for any company just by putting a new ticker symbol in. So I'm going to put in this case, Microsoft's ticker symbol. It's going to go out, pull that data in to calculate these ratios. So within a few seconds, we now have all of the ratios for Microsoft for the last 5 years. In addition, we're also looking at these ratios for the latest 12-month period and the year-to-date periods for the current quarter. Scroll down, show you some of the ratios that we've calculated, all the way from liquidity, efficiency, valuation, leverage ratios, coverage ratios, a lot of different ratios. Great information here, allows you to see how a company is trending over time. All of these models are available either by going into Browse Models from the TagniFi menu up at the top, or you can just go to our website, tagnifi.com/models, and download any of these models for use on your computer. When you go to tagnifi.com/models, we've listed them all. You can browse, just scroll down and see what we have available for download, or you can search. So if we wanted to search for balance sheets, we'll put balance in here, and here we have the different balance sheets that are available for download. So if we wanted to say pull down a quarterly balance sheet model, here is the quarterly balance sheet model for commercial and industrial companies. Click download and that'll get saved to your computer. You can use it right from there. Next model I wanted to show you today is an example of the market data that we have made available. So this is using TagniFi Markets. Just by putting in a new ticker symbol, again we'll use Microsoft, it's going to go out and get end of day data for the last 1 year. It's building this chart dynamically, and it's giving us the latest closing price of $46.61. It was down 66 cents. Here's 52-week high, 52-week low, average daily volume. Just a nice clean chart, gives you a feel for how a company is traded, and this is all based upon TagniFi Markets data. So back to the fundamentals data, we had looked at the ratio analysis before, and that was for a single company. Here's a similar analysis. This is a peer group ratio analysis. It's actually looking at ratios for the most recent period for, in this case, 5 companies. So here we're comparing Dell, Hewlett-Packard, Adobe, Oracle, and Cisco. Again, just by putting in a new ticker symbol, it's going to go out and get new data. Next model is a trailing 12-month income statement. So if we wanted to go look at Microsoft's trailing 12-month income statement, it's going to pull that data in. Here we have the last 5 years of income statement data, and then we have the trailing 12-month period off to the right, as well as the year-to-date data. Again, this is a time series analysis. It allows you to see trends. You can see how Microsoft's gross margin has changed here. Scroll down and see other different trends. So it looks like EBITDA has declined over the last 5 years. This is a great template or a great model for looking at those trends. And then the last model I wanted to show today is one of our standard balance sheet models. So if we put in Microsoft, it's going to pull in Microsoft's 5 most recent balance sheets. Again, a great way to look at trends on the balance sheet and what is going on with the company. So those are just a few of the models that we've made available. Again, all of them can be downloaded just going to Browse Models from the TagniFi menu or to tagnifi.com/models. Hope you enjoy the models. Thank you.